packed our shit into the Volvo, getting up early and we'll be drunk soon. We fill the tank and we're headed for the border, stuck in customs on shrooms. I can't believe we left a nugget inside my glove box. If we ever get out, I'm gonna kill my bro. We're going to Canada, cause the US ain't stupid, We're going to Canada, where the booze is not diluted, We're going to Canada, we don't plan to leave. Prostitutes at 5 p.m. sounds sweet. Canada, 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 yeah. Don't understand how we were able to get over it. Randomly raped if we had gone to jail. But now it's over and we're sitting in the strip club. Titties on our faces drinking ale.